Hey, fellow road warriors, welcome back to Car Secret Hacks, where we expose the dirty tricks keeping your wallet empty and your car on the fritz. Today, we're tackling the diagnostic fee scam and how to beat it. In 2025, with auto repair costs skyrocketing, averaging over $500 per visit, U.S. drivers are getting hammered by these sneaky charges just to figure out what's wrong with their ride. We're talking $80 to $200 popped on your bill before a wrench even turns, often for bogus tests that lead to upsells. If you've ever felt that rage pulling out of a shop, this is for you. Let's dive in, get outraged, and arm you with hacks to fight back. Who's ready to save big? Imagine dropping your car off for a simple check engine light, only to get slapped with a $150 diagnostic fee for plugging in a scanner that takes 5 minutes, then they upsell you $1,000 in unnecessary repairs. Sound insane? It's happening to millions of Americans right now, costing us billions. Wait, what? Stick around, I'll show you how to shut it down. Number 1, decoding the diagnostic fee, what it really means. Alright, let's start at square one because knowledge is your first weapon against this mess. A diagnostic fee is what shops charge to hook your car up to a computer and read those pesky error codes, like when your check engine light winks at you on the highway. In theory, it's fair. Techs need time to interpret data, test components, and pinpoint issues. But in 2025, with cars packed with electronics, these fees have ballooned. Think of it like a doctor's visit copay, but for your Chevy or Toyota. The problem? Shady shops turn this into a cash grab, charging premium rates for basic scans anyone could do with a $20 tool. Remember my pal Joe in Texas? He paid $120 just to hear "it's your battery," something he could have checked himself. Don't let them mystify it, understand it, and you'll spot the scam coming. Number 2, the legit side. When fees make sense. Now, I'm not saying all diagnostic fees are evil. Picture this, your Ford F-150 starts shuddering on I-95 and it's not just a loose lug nut. A good mechanic invests hours, maybe pulling sensors, road testing, or diving into wiring diagrams. That's skilled labor, folks, and in high-cost states like California, shop rates hit $150 an hour. Legit fees cover that expertise, tools, and even insurance. I once took my old Ram to a trusted indie shop in Florida. They charged $90 but waived it when I approved the fix. It built trust. The key: transparency. If they're upfront about time and process, it's probably on the level. But when they slap it on without warning, that's where the outrage kicks in. Let's peel back why it turns sour. Number 3, crossing into scam territory. Red flags everywhere. Okay, buckle up, this is where it gets juicy. The scam flips when shops use diagnostics as a hook to reel you in for bigger fish. They lowball you on the phone, "Bring it in, we'll take a look." Then bam, $200 fee before they even pop the hood. Or worse, they find extras like complex wiring issues that magically require pricey parts. In the US, with inflation biting hard in 2025, these tactics prey on desperate drivers. Think about Sarah from Ohio, who shared her nightmare on Reddit. She went in for an oil change, got hit with a $500 diagnostic for mysterious noises, but it was just a loose belt. No refund. If they're vague, pressuring, or adding fees post facto, alarm bells. It's not service, it's sleight of hand. Number 4, the upsell trap. How they turn diagnosis into dollars. Ever feel like you're in a bad infomercial at the shop? But wait, there's more. That's the upsell scam in action. They diagnose a minor code, then spin it into apocalypse. Your transmission's shot, $3,000 fix, or you're stranded. Emotional manipulation at its finest, especially for families relying on one car. A viewer emailed me about his mom's ordeal in Michigan. $180 diagnostic led to a $2,000 brake overhaul she didn't need. Second opinion: pads were fine. Shops bank on your fear and ignorance. But here's the twist: many states require written estimates first. Demand 1. Turn their script against them by asking, "Show me the codes and explain why this is urgent." Watch them squirm. Number 5, real horror story. Dave's dealership debacle. Let me paint a picture that'll make your blood boil. Dave, a hardworking dad from Arizona, towed his dying Escape to a Ford dealer last summer. Check engine light blazing, he figured warranty might cover it. Nope, they hit him with a $250 diagnostic fee up front, no waivers. Hours later, engines toast, $5,000 rebuild. Heart sinking, he paid the fee and left, only to discover at an indie shop it was a $50 sensor. Dealer knew but upsold anyway. Dave fought back, disputing via his credit card, got the fee refunded after weeks of hassle. His story? Straight from forums like Reddit, where thousands vent similar rages. If this hits home, you're not alone. But Dave won, you can too. Number 6, another tale, the single mom's fight in Georgia. Switch gears to Emily in Georgia, a single mom juggling 2 jobs and a minivan. Her Honda started rattling, she pulled into a chain shop for free inspection. They scanned it quick, then demanded $140 diagnostic to go deeper. Scared for her kids' safety, she agreed, only to get pitched $1,200 in essential suspension work. Broke and suspicious, she bylaid, paid the fee and hit AutoZone for a free scan. Code, loose exhaust $100, fix elsewhere. Emily shared on TikTok, going viral with cries of scam. Her emotional post, I felt violated, like they stole from my family's future. Ladies, if you're targeted and stats show you are, arm up with knowledge. Emily did, now she's scam-proof. Number 7, the numbers don't lie, stats that'll shock you. Let's hit you with cold, hard facts to fuel that fire. In 2025, the average U.S. diagnostic fee hovers around $80 to $150, but dealers push $150 to $250. That's per hour, folks, and some complex scans rack up multiples. AAA estimates Americans lose billions yearly to auto scams, with diagnostics topping the list. A RepairPal report pegs general diagnosis at $122 to $179 on average. Post-COVID, supply chains jacked prices, but shady shops exploit it. Imagine 50 million check engine lights yearly, many leading to unnecessary fees. My uncle in Pennsylvania paid $200 for a deep dive that was just a code read. These stats aren't abstract, they're your money vanishing. Time to fight back with smarts. Number 8, why 2025 is worse, inflation and tech takeover. Fast forward to now, cars are computers on wheels, with EVs and hybrids complicating everything. Diagnostic tools cost shops thousands, so fees climb, but scammers ride the wave. With U.S. inflation at auto parts up 10% this year, shops pad bills to survive. But honest ones absorb it, crooks double dip. Think Tesla owners facing $200+ for software glitches. A Colorado viewer messaged, my EV wouldn't charge, dealer wanted $300 diagnostic before touching it. In this tech era, fees feel like extortion, but here's hope: apps and DIY tools are democratizing diagnostics. Don't let 2025's economy make you a victim, get ahead of the curve. Number 9, free scans at auto parts stores, ready for empowerment. Start here, ditch paid diagnostics with free ones at AutoZone, O'Reilly, or Advance Auto. They plug in an OBD-II scanner, read codes, and even explain basics, all gratis. I did this for my sister's Civic in Virginia. Code P420 meant catalytic converter, not the $1,000 engine rebuild a shop quoted after a $120 fee. It's nationwide, no strings. Pro tip, go during off hours to avoid lines. Millions use this yearly, saving hundreds. Why pay when knowledge is free? It's your first line of defense, simple, effective, and scam-busting. Number 10, invest in your own OBD-II scanner. Level up. Buy a cheap OBD-II scanner for $20.50 on Amazon. Plug it under your dash, pair with an app like Torque, and boom, codes at your fingertips. No more mystery lights. My buddy in Utah scanned his truck mid-road trip, fixed a $10 vacuum leak himself. In 2025, with Bluetooth models under $30, it's a no-brainer for DIYers. Apps even suggest fixes. Sure, pros handle complex stuff, but for basics, you're the boss. This hack saved me $200 last year. Empowering, right? Turn victim into victor with tech in your glove box. Number 11, always ask upfront and get it in writing. Conversation is key, never assume. Call ahead. What's your diagnostic fee? Is it waived if I approve repairs? Get names, times, everything noted. In states like Texas, laws mandate written estimates. Use them. A Florida fan avoided a $180 hit by demanding a breakdown first. Shop backed off shady add-ons. If they dodge, walk. This simple script flips power. Email me the estimate before starting. It's your shield against surprises. Practice it, feel the confidence surge. Number 12, indie shops versus dealerships. Choose wisely. Dealers, flashy but fees soar, $200+ easy. Indies often charge less $80 $120 and build loyalty. Check AAA approved or Yelp reviews for US gems. My go-to in Oregon waive diagnostics for regulars. Story time, a New York viewer ditched a dealer quoting $250 for a scan. Indie did it for $90, found the issue honestly. Indies want repeat business, not one-off gouges. Scout locally, your wallet thanks you. Number 13, negotiate waivers for repairs. Many shops waive diagnostics if you greenlight fixes, use it. Say, if I proceed, does the fee apply to labor? It saved a California mom $150 on brakes. If they refuse, red flag. A Reddit thread exploded with wins. One guy haggled a $200 fee down to zero by committing upfront. It's American haggling at its best, polite but firm. Make it routine, turn potential scams into deals. Number 14, seek second opinions freely. One opinion seems fishy, bolt for another, free or low cost. Cross-check codes from your DIY scan. A Pennsylvania tale, guy paid $130 diagnostic, got upsold $800 second shop, $200 real fix, fee waived. Forums like Mechanic Advice buzz with these saves. It's your right, don't feel loyal to scammers. Second opinions expose lies, saving thousands. Number 15, dispute and escalate when ripped off got burned. Fight, dispute credit charges within 60 days, many win. Escalate to BBB or state AG. In Illinois, a viewer got $500 refunded after a bogus diagnostic. Document everything, receipts, codes, conversations, legal muscle like FTC guidelines back you. Don't simmer in silence, channel that outrage into action. Wins feel sweet. Number 16, know your legal rights nationwide US. Laws protect you. Magnuson Moss for warranties, state-specific repair acts. In New York, fees must be disclosed. Arm up via NHTSA or FTC sites. A Michigan story, woman cited laws, forced a refund on a $200 fee for no work. Knowledge levels the field, read up, become untouchable. Number 17, build mechanic relationships for trust. Find a gem. Stick, regulars get perks like waived fees. My Oregon mechanic spots issues early, saving diagnostics. A Georgia fan's guy texts codes for free. Loyalty breeds honesty, shady shops lose out. Network via Nextdoor, build your car family. Number 18, hack 10, prevent with routine maintenance. Best defense? Don't need diagnostics. Oil changes, tire checks, basics avert crises. In salty Midwest winters, undercarriage washes prevent rust. Scans. A viewer in Colorado skipped $300 fees by catching leaks early. Proactive beats reactive, your car and wallet lasts longer. Number 19, special alert targeted groups, women and young drivers. Sad truth, stats show women pay 20% more, young folks upsold harder. Go in pairs, use scripts. I've researched, let's see the codes. An Arizona woman's story felt dismissed but demanded proof, exposed a scam. Empower yourself, don't accept bias. Number 20, your power move, become the informed driver. You've got the arsenal now. From free scans to legal fights, you're equipped. In a world of rising costs, this knowledge is freedom. Share your wins below. We're a community flipping the script on scams. Drive confident on the road. Wrapping this up, the diagnostic fee scam thrives on fear, ignorance, and hidden charges, but not anymore. We've exposed how legit fees turn predatory, shared gut-wrenching stories like Dave's and Emily's, and armed you with 10 powerhouse hacks to beat it. Free scans, DIY tools, upfront questions, and more. In 2025's tough economy where every dollar counts for US families, these tricks could save you hundreds, even thousands, while holding shops accountable. Remember, your car isn't just metal, it's your freedom, your livelihood, your family's safety net. Don't let scammers steal that. Next time that light flickers, you'll stride in informed, demand transparency, and drive out victorious. What if every driver knew this? Shops would clean up overnight. Stay vigilant, friends. Knowledge isn't just power, it's payback. Drive safe and never pay for smoke and mirrors again. If this video fired you up or saved you from a scam, smash that like button. It helps us expose more hacks. Drop a comment below. What's your worst diagnostic horror story? Did a shop ever waive a fee for you? We'll feature the juiciest ones in our next shoutout. And hey, if you've got a buddy getting ripped off, share this video. Let's build an army of savvy drivers. Don't forget to subscribe to Car Secret Hacks for weekly tips on beating dealer tricks, secret warranties, and more. Hit the bell so you never miss a drop. For exclusive guides on OBD-II scanners and shop checklists, head to Car Secret Hacks. Thanks for watching. You're not just viewers, you're the revolution. See you on the road.